Hello. We are together again for the fourth support of Artcam 2011 edition. We continue from this support model menu. As currently seen in the model menu. Resolution komutunu geresages. The fusion command is already in the model menu above. And we have customized the N-Phi resolution command. When we turn a new page, the dimensions of our page are XX2 size and not back to Y size. As we open a new page, hours pass by, week determining the amount of respiration gave the water pulver. When we open it according to our settings there, here's what he gave us. We see pixel values. Bunlari oradaki su pool bardan. So from here. Increase and decrease from here. We know. Now before you open the page here. At this height. And the width we entered. According to the values, he gave us the minimum. And maximum number of points. Gave it here. Biz buna tabi ki sefeyak tiktan sonra. We changed the page so we can do this. From here. 100 model admin command. We are entering. You can also use the model menu as I just showed here. You can find it here. Also via search bars. Via the search bar of the model menu. To this. From here too, you can reach. You cannot do any work on the page here. While modeling. Image quality during modeling. What we will do from here to increase. Ayarlame sickle bari maximum sevier. Bring it or keep it around. To adjust according to our needs. We can. Masila Surata 5.16. He said 500. I'm not okay either. Your page. Keeping its minimetric dimensions constant. Numbers. Bizim istedicimiz sayı getirecektir. And. Image quality in the model. Clarity will increase. It's already here. 5000 to 16 or 2500 to 58. Saw it happen. Happened. Of course this. Maximum and minimum. Sınırlar dahilinde. Will make it happen. For example, maximum limit. It was 5.650 at our 6. Minimum limit. Like the image here. It was 566. We can change between these limits. See you at 5.16. Goodbye.